Hey everyone, just a quick heads up. I'm uploading shorts almost every day where I break down the market with quick technical analysis of that day's chart, showing you how I read price action, identify key levels for entry and exits, and understand market moves in real time. They are short and to the point, not very detailed, but I make sure the explanation is simple enough for you to understand and learn something useful and valuable every day. If you stay consistent and watch them daily, you will start noticing patterns, improve your chart reading, and build that trader mindset over time. So don't miss out. Head over to the shorts section and stay consistent with your learnings. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please be informed that I share some real and practical trading tips to help you become a better trader. So in today's video, let's go ahead and share my trades for the last 2 weeks. Since I was unable to make any shorts, I think it would be better for me to show off or to show my trades so that you know that profits are being made and they are being made consistently every single day. Okay, so basically, I update my trades in my Telegram channel regularly. So if you want, you can also watch out my Telegram channel for the same, or else you can just watch this video. Okay, so first thing first, let's go ahead and let me bring up the screenshot here. All right, so we'll start from 27th of April. Okay, so as you can see here, where is the date? Yeah, 27th of April. So let me take it up one after the other. All right, so this is 27th of April. There was one Bank Nifty sell trade that was made by me, and I made a profit of 213 points. Moving on to 28th April, again one sell trade in Bank Nifty, and I made a profit of 226 points. Guys, if you want to have a much closer look, then please feel free to pause the video and have a look at the price points. And that way you will know where exactly I took the trade and where exactly I exited the trade. Okay, moving on for 29th of April. Again, it was just one sell trade in Bank Nifty and the profit made was 170 points. And on 30th April, again, it was Bank Nifty, but this time I took two trades in Bank Nifty and a total profit points that were made were 222 points. Okay, forget about the crude oil and other trades. We are just talking about Bank Nifty. Okay, 1st of May was a holiday, so no trades on that day. Next, we will move on to 4th of May. Is that right? Yeah, 4th of May. So on 4th of May, again, I made two sell trades in Bank Nifty and I got a profit of around 350 points, and one trade in Nifty that was also a sell trade and I made a profit of 40 points. Okay, moving on to 5th May. On 5th May, I made just one sell trade in Bank Nifty and the profits that I caught were 262 points. Okay, moving on to 6th May. Again, there was one Bank Nifty trade. It was a sell trade, and the profit made was 185 points. And the second trade was a Nifty trade, and again, it was a sell trade, and the profit made was 55 points. Okay, moving on to 7th May, it was just one trade in Nifty that was also a sell trade, and the profit that I made was 61 points. Okay, and lastly, for yesterday, that is 8th of May, I took a Bank Nifty sell trade and the profit made was 197 points. Okay, so as you can see here, since the last 2 weeks, I have been profitable throughout. So it is a 100% strike rate, I would say. Okay, now please remember, guys, this is just about 2 weeks. The same thing happens every single month. Okay, I hit the stop loss or I book my losses very rarely. Maybe I hit stop losses for 1 to 2 times every 2 to 3 weeks. But as you can see here, the profits that I made or that I make is much, much more than what I lose. Okay, so that is the exact thing that you need to take care if you want to be a profitable day trader. Okay, what I want people to observe is not just that I made profits, okay, but how those profits were made. Okay, most people enter the market thinking trading is about predicting the future perfectly. It's not. Trading is about managing risks, controlling your emotions, and executing a repeatable system over and over and over again. That's the real edge, right? If you look carefully at my trades, you will notice something. Okay, I am not trying to catch any move. I'm not revenge trading. I'm not doubling positions emotionally. Okay, I'm not chasing candles because of FOMO. I am simply following a structured approach with discipline. I have my strategy, I follow it day in and day out without miss. Okay, and that's the biggest lesson I want beginners or anybody who's making a loss in the trading world to understand. The market rewards discipline much more than intelligence. Okay, please remember this. There are traders with incredible technical knowledge who still lose money consistently because they cannot control their emotions. Okay, at the same time, there are traders with very simple strategies making money steadily because they follow the rules with patience and discipline. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share, and I will not take any further of your precious time, but I hope you understood the gist of the video. See, guys, the fact is simple. If you trade well, then especially this is especially for the guys who are in the corporate world. Okay, if you trade well, the amount of money that a senior level manager makes in a month, you can make it in the very first week of the month itself. Okay, still you will be left over with 3 more weeks wherein you can decide whether to make more trades or just to chillax for the rest of the month. Okay, so that's it from my end for today, guys. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, share this with your trading friends, and drop a comment below if you have any queries. Let's help each other grow as traders. And of course, if you haven't yet, please do subscribe to the channel for more real and practical trading insights. Thank you for watching. Trade simple, trade smart, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, happy trading and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.